Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. Today we are going to see how to crochet a doily. But before going to the pattern, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon next to it to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. A return pattern can be found in my blog, The Lazy Hobby Hopper. I used sport weight cotton yarn for making this doily, and I made one doily using a 3 mm crochet hook and another one using a 2.5 mm crochet hook. The bigger one made using the 3 mm crochet hook measures 19 cm in diameter and the other one 17 cm in diameter after blocking. Let's get into the pattern. I used a sport weight cotton yarn and a 2 mm crochet hook for this doily. Start with a slip knot. And make 8 chains. Now join the last chain with a slip stitch to the first chain. This forms a ring. Now chain 1 and 16 double crochets into the ring. Okay, now join the last stitch to the first double crochet with a slip stitch. Now chain 5. This counts as a double crochet and chain 2. Now double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, again chain 2, double crochet in next stitch, repeat this around, and now finish with 2 chains joined with a slip stitch to the third chain at the beginning of round. Now chain 3, this counts as the first double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet in next stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet in next stitch. Now repeat this all around. Okay, complete the round with chain 2 and slip stitch in the top of chain 3. Start the next round with chain 3, also counts as the first double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 2 double crochet next stitch. Chain 2 and 2 double crochets in each of the next 2 double crochets. Again chain 2, 2 double crochets in next 2 double crochets. Repeat this around and finish with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Start the next round with chain 3 and now 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. Chain 2, double crochet in each double crochet. Again chain 2 and double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochets. Repeat this around. This round is completed. Finished with a slip stitch in the first stitch. And now the next round is going to be the last round. Chain 3. Now we are going to work 3 treble crochets together. That is, wrap yarn around the hook twice. Now insert hook into the next stitch. Pull yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now you have 2 loops on the hook. Again yarn over twice, insert hook into the next stitch and pull yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Once again yarn over twice, insert hook into next stitch, pull yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 2 space. From here it's going to be slightly different. Make chain 7. Slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. This will form a picot. And now we are going to work treble crochet 4 stitches together. Yarn over twice, insert hook into next stitch, pull yarn, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over twice, insert hook into next stitch, pull yarn and yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat this 2 more times. You have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 4 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 7, slip stitch in the third chain from the hook to form a picot. Treble 4 together. So you will repeat this around until you reach the last chain 2 space. Now we have reached the final part of the last round. Now make chain 7, single crochet in the third chain from the hook. This forms a picot. Now join this with a slip stitch to the top of the first triple three together that we worked at the beginning. So this completes the doily. Now you can cut the yarn and weave in the loose ends of yarn. The doily is complete and it needs to be blocked. To do it, just wet it and squeeze out as much water as possible and then lay it flat on a ironing board, or I used a cushion, and now pin out all the edges or the picots. And this has to be done when it is still wet. The pins must be removed only when the doily is thoroughly dried. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did so, please hit the like button. And thanks for watching. I'll meet you in another video.